Moving on, Kotta comes in and suggests a very good thing. Says leadership is about coping with change, whereas management is about coping with complexity. So there is distinction between the two. Okay. Which leads us to table 1.8. Very important from MCQ standpoint, always asked as an MCQ. Okay. So if you want to note down certain keywords, please do so, or underline or highlight or do whatever with the notes. But the key difference is in management, it's more suitable when things are stable, smooth, whereas whenever there is some turmoil, change is required, leadership is needed. Okay, key difference between the two. Leadership is about influencing people. Okay, it's about creating inspiration amongst the staff. Okay, it's about engaging different stakeholders and so that they engage with each other as well. So various stakeholders are engaging with each other for the benefit of everyone. It's about inspiring your staff, inspiring your people to do the things on their own. Okay, rather than you telling them, do this or do that. It's about inspiring people to do things on their own. It's about ability to work with different cultures. Okay, now it's very true for us in Australia. You know, we are a multicultural land, even though Pauline Hanson thinks otherwise. But, you know, jokes aside, you know, we are, multicultural country, and it's important for us as an effective leader to work with different cultures. Very, very important. And leadership always comes with followership. So a leader would have a follower, okay, or many followers. Let me put it that way. Okay, so keywords for leadership: influence, getting people to do things on their own. Okay, inspiration, ability to work with different cultures, and it comes with followership. Whereas management, on the other hand, it's about planning, it's about exercising authority over other people. Okay, it's about control. It's about telling people to do what they need to do. And it comes with subordinateship. Okay. Now, key bridge between both is communication. This is central to both. Okay. A leader should effectively communicate, and so does a manager. Otherwise, none of these roles are going to be successful. Okay.